Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are mastering the concept of the 180-degree rotation. Specifically, we will look at how coordinates change when we perform a half turn around the origin. First, let's define what we are doing. A 180-degree rotation is a transformation that turns a figure around a fixed point. Think of it as a half-circle movement. If you start at the top, you end at the bottom. The distance from the center remains exactly the same. Here is the most important part of this lesson, the rule. To rotate any point x, y by 180 degrees, you simply change the signs of both coordinates. X becomes negative x, and y becomes negative y. You do not need to swap their positions, you just flip their signs. Let's visualize this on a coordinate plane. When we perform this rotation, points swap quadrants diagonally. A point in quadrant 1 will jump all the way to quadrant 3. Similarly, a point in quadrant 2 will jump across to quadrant 4. Let's try an example. Start with point A at coordinates 3, 2. Applying our rule, we change the positive 3 to negative 3 and the positive 2 to negative 2. Our new point, a prime, lands at negative 3, negative 2. Now, let's see what happens if we start with a negative number. Take point B at negative 4, 1. We negate the negative 4 to get positive 4. We negate the positive 1 to get negative 1. The point moves from the second quadrant to the fourth quadrant. What if both coordinates are negative? Here is point C at negative 2, negative 3. When we apply the negative signs, negative 2 becomes positive 2, and negative 3 becomes positive 3. The point moves up to the first quadrant. Geometrically, if you draw a line from your starting point to the image point, that line will pass directly through the origin. The origin acts as the midpoint. This confirms that our rotation is perfectly symmetrical around the center. Remember these key properties. This is an isometry, meaning the shape size does not change. Also, be careful not to confuse this with reflection where you swap x and y here. X stays first and y stays second. Only the signs change. To wrap up, a 180-degree rotation is a half-turn. The formula is simply negative x, negative y. It preserves distance, and the origin is always the center of rotation. Thanks for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.